I got involved in the field to provide peace for individuals who are doing the right thing. Put your hands in your pocket. Put your hands in your pocket. Have a seat over there for me, okay? I wanted to be part of the solution, not part of the problem. So it's real simple. No trespassing. That's why you're here. And not only that, but there's drug paraphernalia that I already saw. When we're young, we think we can save the world, but I think that we can accomplish that by doing one case at a time, one individual at a time. Remember, your drug problems are way bigger than me. And I think there's a lot of success in that. I'm here with the Arizona Department of Public Safety as a task force officer. I've been assigned to this unit. DPS complements the Arizona Department of Corrections very nicely, and at the end of the day, it's a force multiplier in addressing public safety. You ever been in trouble before, anything like that? Never gone to jail or prison or anything like that? We're very proactive in going addressing issues before they become an issue. We're paying attention to what people being released from prison are doing, how they're doing it, how they're committing a life to criminal activity. Compared to your average police officer, we're not taking calls for service. We're actually getting intelligence in where it can take us. We're going to the worst neighborhoods at the worst time of the day. So this right here would be considered gang tagging. It's letting them know that they are showing homage and respect to the Mexican mafia. It's 5 and 5, and then the 3 for 13. The 13th letter of the alphabet for mafia. The mission that we do at the end of the day does provide public safety and keeping those career criminals off the streets from reoffending and committing crimes against the public. Working with DDLs is very beneficial for us to the fact that they give us raw intel as soon as an individual gets incarcerated. They're the first line of interviewers that they get to have contact with. They in turn document the interaction that they had with the gang member, and that information gets disseminated to certain law enforcement agencies for public knowledge and make us aware of who we're dealing with. Should they be being released into the community or being incarcerated back in the Arizona Department of Corrections. We're pulling up that crown. I would say, are you from back east, or are you? We know the precursors for someone who's involved in gang activity. Not 5 points on it though, but some of the clothing that they wear, the style of clothes, the color of their clothing, and tattoos. So that sends up a lot of red flags for us and gives us a pretty good solid indication that this individual or individuals will be involved in gang activity. Do you have any tattoos on you? Let's take a look real quick. And tattoos and clothing play a big part in identifying gang members in these neighborhoods. All right, cool. Nothing on your legs, dude?
No, sir.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Not only do we do the prison gangs inside and outside, but we also address criminal street gang in pretty much the whole state of Arizona. We'll go to a different city, a different place, and address prison stuff. We'll address the criminal street gangs. We'll address outlaw motorcycle gangs, which there's a huge variety of those. And not only that, but our close proximity to the Mexican border, a lot of drug activity. Hi there, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Community policing, I think, is an important factor. Not only do we go and address illicit activity, but we deal with the public a lot. We interact with the public, we let them know what our mission is, we let them know what we're doing, and we also include them to be an important part of what we're doing. I'll just emphasize the 13 that they have over here. What keeps me motivated is the people that I work with. I work with a awesome group of individuals. And see, you got the SLT 13. And that motivates me every day to get out of bed. It motivates me to get up and come to work. And it's the people I work with, the people who have invested in me personally, continues to motivate me to do what I do. It's not an individual effort, but it's a team effort. And that team effort complements everyone at the day. And sometimes I think that gets overlooked and doesn't get put under a microscope the way it should be. Every time that we put cuffs on somebody and we let the legal system take its process, at the end of the day, we find success in knowing that these career criminals get incarcerated again and not be a distraction to the community. It keeps the public safe, it keeps staff safe, and at the end of the day, whether it be a prison case or a case out here, it keeps the inmate population safe as well.